Negative space. It might be one of the best painting tools you're not using. Have you ever looked at one of your paintings and thought, something just doesn't feel quite right? You can't really explain why, you just know something feels a little awkward. When that happens, one of the first things I do is stop looking at the subject itself. I start looking at the spaces around it. We call those shapes negative space. Negative space is simply the shape the background creates around whatever you're painting. In this water lily painting, I wasn't really trying to make the petal prettier. I was trying to change the shape the background created between the petals. A few openings felt just a little awkward, but by slightly changing the shape of the petal, I changed the shape of the negative space. And suddenly, the flower felt more natural. That's why I pay so much attention to the negative space. It gives me another way to evaluate what I'm seeing. When we're focused on the flower, or the horse, or the bird, our brains naturally fill in what they expect to see. But the background shapes are more abstract. They help reveal awkward openings and shape relationships and little things that are surprisingly easy to miss when we're only studying the subject. The next time something in your painting doesn't feel quite right, don't only study what you're painting. Take a minute to study the spaces around it. Sometimes the answer isn't hiding in the subject, it's hiding in the negative space. If this painting conversation was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment below. It really means so much to me, and it helps YouTube share these lessons with more artists.